Before the flyover was started and all, we would take a long time. The jam was really crazy. The borders, the cars, it would really be a nuisance. Now that the flyover is here, just a few minutes and I'm already out of the central business district because the road is now wider. Our customers can get to us much faster than before. There is visibility for our business. We can actually cross the roads in a safe way. The pedestrians can move, drivers don't need to stop, so everyone is happy. Oh, I know I am happy.
The clock tower area used to be heavily congested because the roundabout was narrow and small. Once there is gridlock, you can even be locked in one place for 3 to 4 hours. When it floods, flood water will even sweep away cars, will sweep away pedestrians, will sweep away motorcycles, and therefore there was a lot of public outcry. And therefore some intervention had to be done to mitigate this. JICA came, they looked at the need and structured it into a quick project, and that's why right now they're the ones financing the project. The overarching vision was to improve traffic flow. In this mitigation of traffic control, we had to widen the roads, put a flyover, put underpass. The flyover and the underpass were meant to separate traffic so that we have 2 different levels of flow of traffic. And for those who don't want to circulate in the local city area, there is a flyover which picks them and takes them on the other side of the city. So those are the facilities which are put for mitigation of traffic control.
We selected 2 special technologies. One is the steel screw pile, and the other one is the weathering steel. The screw pile is this is Japanese technology. The blade is welded to the steel tube. Each pile can support more weight, so time and space can be minimized, which is very important for the construction works in urban area like Kampala, very congested area.
This project has about 70% of the Ugandan products. Most of the products that we are purchasing, the first priority is given to the Ugandan suppliers, the Ugandan manufacturers. Unless we don't have the product in Uganda, that is when we outsource. We are looking at material that is durable, that is sustainable, that is safe. We test these materials, make sure that it complies with the specifications and standards. So what we're testing here is the strength of the paving block. That's what we call the compressive strength. The moment it fails, you will see the results here. So now the testing is complete. The paver, as you can see, it has reached a failure point. So it means that we need to look at the material constitution of this, and then we revise, get something better, making sure that we meet the standards and specifications of the project. The other critical element that we have on the road is the asphalt. So we check for stability and flow. How strong is our asphalt mix?
Mkwano Road has also completely changed. You now have 4 lanes, 2 lanes on either side, from the initial 2 lanes. The traffic which used to come down to Clock Tower area before proceeding to Mkwano Road is now able to move from Queensway without interacting with the traffic going to the city through the underpass to the Mkwano Road. I think 2 minutes enough for you to navigate those areas which used to be congested.
Pedestrian bridges, we have 3 of them. The material is structural steel, which was chosen because largely to shorten the construction time. So this steel is fabricated out of Uganda, Vietnam to be specific, and then it is shipped in and just assembled on site. So we have a less construction period. After it's constructed, we shall have staircases and ramps to be accessed, and the ramps largely provide access for the disabled. Largely, you'll find people crossing the road. It interrupts traffic flow. So if the people are taken off the main road onto the pedestrian bridges, then vehicles can easily move without interaction, and the pedestrians cross the roads without getting into accidents or slowing down traffic.
To enhance their safety, alongside the widened roads, we have 5 meters wide walkways. flyovers got safety net in case of flying debris. It will be lit at night. Equal the underpass is also lit. To mitigate the flooding, we constructed box culverts. These are huge structures which we are able to pick the water from these catchments and pass them underneath the road into Nakiwo Channel. On the road, we have side drains running throughout the project area. By installing these box culverts and the minor drainage structures, we're able to mitigate the flooding in the city area. By constructing that, we're able to meet the objective for having safety of all the passengers and non-motorized road users.
New clock tower will be a replica. There's a lighting and then the very nice park around the clock tower, so people can relax around the new clock tower square.
So likely that's going to become a very important point for leisure, for those people to come and cool off so that they can start another day. This project was designed with mindset for knowledge and skills transfer. Project engineers, we took them for specialized training in bridge design. They went to Japan. It means that they are capable of designing this type of flyovers.
Technologies, international materials, international experience. It's definitely changed my career. It has given me confidence as well in my capacity as a bridge or structural engineer, and I think it has opened up a door for a lot more opportunity in the future.
You realize there is something that you don't know that you're going to pick from this particular project. You realize that what you thought was the engineering, you only had a portion of it. So you advanced to something greater, something bigger.
What I like about my job is the ability to provide a solution to a problem, have it on paper first in the design, and then see it actually being implemented day by day. That is the best thing about it. And when you see the final product, it's just very satisfying.